everyone. So in this video I am going to show you how, using the power of AccessAlly, we can segment our members as they join our membership. So here we are in the membership lab, our own membership. And as you can see, as part of our onboarding, we have a section here where they can tell us if they don't have a membership yet, if they are building a membership, or if they already have a membership. So I'm going to show you how to do that so that you can tag people and you can know right from the onboarding where they are in the process. And that could totally be in sync with your roadmap or your success path, okay? So the first step is to create those buttons. And it's achieved in AccessAlly by going to AccessAlly Custom Operations. And so you're basically going to click on Add a New Operation. Then here you're going to select Add a Remove Tag. Here you're going to choose the tag for the button. So you have to associate one tag per button. Okay, so first go to your CRM, create the tags, then come back here and click on that thingy here to refresh the tag, then pick the tag. Okay, so here we're going to create the button for I don't have a membership. So I call this tag in Active Campaign TML member status : no membership. Okay, so that's what I want the person to be tagged in the email system when they click the button. Okay, so that defines the tag that's going to be applied. Next, when I scroll down here, you want to click on Enable to enable this operation inside the membership. So what it's going to do is it's going to create a shortcode here that you don't need to copy from right here. Actually, you can, but there is an easier way, okay? But basically here you're going to say what the button is going to say. So I say that the button label should be I don't have a membership yet, okay? When they click on the button, there is a pop-up that's going to show up. So here, optionally, you can say, are you sure, right? Or are you sure, especially if the question, like you would use it also like if people want to cancel or things like that. So if you want to pop up and you want to have a message, then that's where you would put it, okay? I'm not going to add it, okay? Then you can redirect people to a URL once they've clicked on that. For me, I just post a message and I say, got it. Okay, but you can say something else, thank you, or whatever that is, okay? And that's about it. So once you do that, you click on save, and now you have this new custom operation. So you can either grab this link and put it on your dashboard, or I'm going to show you how I do it from the WordPress editor. So here I'm editing the dashboard, and of course this is Divi because this membership was built with the membership launch box, the package that we have where we help entrepreneurs build their membership. So we used it for our own membership, okay? And basically all we did is we created a text module, and then we went AccessAlly, and then here we went to custom operation, and we chose level 1, no membership. This is how I called it, okay? And that's it. Then you click save, and then you have your button. All right, so the idea is to create a custom operation, link it to a tag, and then enable the operation inside the membership, and then put this shortcode anywhere on the page. That will create the button. When somebody clicks on it, it will give them that tag, and it will also put the tag in the email system. All right, so that's basically how you segment your members when they join the membership. You can, of course, use it, at any time, but for us, we're really using it to really have a sense of where people are when they join. If you enjoyed this video, please click on the subscribe button below to subscribe to our channel and be notified when we have more videos available.